I know you have sagging doors that are dragging on the floor because everybody does at some point. The problem is loose hinges and stripped out screw holes. I know you have already tried to tighten the screws only to see the problem return. I'm going to show you a good, better, and best option. 3 simple fixes that will lift your doors and stop them from dragging on the floors. First, remove the short hinge screws from the top and middle hinges. The traditional method was to use wood glue to fill all the holes, poke in a wood dowel or toothpicks, tap them in tight, break off the excess. After the glue sets up, you can screw your hinges back in place and this will hold. However, this method can be messy and slow. Do you have a paperclip laying around your house? Simply screw the hinge screw back in place, this time using the paperclip wire to thread around the screw and cut off any excess that is sticking out. I have used this method many times and it really does increase the holding power, strength of the screw so your hinge and your door will not sag anymore. Now for the third and best option. The door hinge manufacturers give you these tiny screws. No wonder why they strip out and fail. And they are only secured to this very thin door jamb. Here, look behind your trim and jamb. You have a structural stud right there behind your door jamb. What if you remove the tiny door hinge screw and replace it with a 2-inch or longer screw that will drive right into the stud and support your door hinge forever? Now don't rush out to the hardware store and purchase the largest screw you can find. It can't be a screw with a large head or it will stick out beyond the surface of the hinge and obstruct the closing of the door. You have to use wood screws. Wood screws have this narrow head that will countersink to the hinge depth. It will not stick out. That's what you want. I want you to use at least 3 times the length of your current door screw length. I have found that is a 2-inch wood screw or longer. Now with everything screwed back together and my long wood screws biting into the stud on all my door jamb hinges, my doors are properly supported and no longer dragging on my floors. If you like this video, you should click on my next video here about common door problems.